Now, your Alaska Link weather for Juneau and Southeast.
Well, good evening. It is a very active forecast for areas of the Pacific, the northern Pacific, even here seeing this quickly intensifying hurricane force low moving across those Aleutian Islands into the Bering Sea. Now, as you look across the panhandle, what we're seeing is that here is the frontal system of it. That's going to continue to work into the Gulf, but we also today had a little disturbance to the south that was allowing for some areas of some rain and even snow showers for some. But what we're noting is that we will be watching that this is going to be the low that we are going to emphasize, especially with that front approaching the region, which is going to keep us under some moderate impacts here as we roll into our Wednesday and Thursday. So we'll note that we'll have some increasing coverage from that system, looking at more of a widespread potential versus more of that scattered to isolated activity that we were dealing with the last few days, with rain and wind especially being our concern through much of our day Wednesday. Thursday, looking at seeing some ease and then transitioning over to some snow showers as we head into Friday before that system moves out, and we could have a sunny Saturday, a beautiful weekend setting up. Now, a little chilly with the sunshine, but we'll take the break in the weather pattern before our next storm systems will return into next week. So for our Wednesday, high tide will occur at 5:48 in the morning and then again at 5:51 into the evening. We'll start out the day just around that 32-degree threshold and then head to a high of 39. So again, they're expecting mostly rain showers. Could still see here that we have a few light snow showers at onset with that warmer flow ahead of that frontal system, but we'll see that some of that light precipitation will increasingly become more moderate, at least by the end of the day there, even noting some of that higher reflectivity being seen through Wednesday night into Thursday. And then Thursday, there still will be some moderate pockets, but again, easing conditions will be lasting into that Friday before turning brighter by Saturday. So a little bit of snowfall possible there for the far northern panhandle at onset, and then that transition over to rain showers for most, with this system being a bit more mild, is likely, where accumulation 1/2 inch to 1 inch is looking to be a possibility. So with that transition of precipitation type, note that there may be some of those slick conditions out there where we'll look at our Wednesday, have 6 hours and 35 minutes of daylight, just about gaining about 2 minutes per day. So we're getting to that point of gaining some good daylight, and we'll see that again on Saturday. But first, we'll have to get through the system as it is lifting in some warm temperatures, even looking at upper 40s there to the south, mid 40s there for Sitka, Haines around 34 degrees. Into Thursday, we'll continue to stay underneath some of those more mild temperatures with some of those moderate pockets possible. But then again, that system eases, that cooler air filters in. We'll end off some snow showers there on Friday with a high of 36. A little bit of some chilly sunshine, but at least we get that sunshine. And then these next systems that look to move in next week do trend to be a little bit more wintry, so we'll have to keep an eye on that setup.